Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a gamer or someone who loves a minimalist setup, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the top 5 best one-handed mechanical keyboards. These compact keyboards are perfect for those who need quick, efficient access to essential keys without the bulk of a full-sized keyboard. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just want to optimize your desk space, we've got the keyboard for you. Let's jump right in. Number 5 on our list is the Coolcirc GK103S one-handed mechanical keyboard. The Coolcirc GK103's one-handed mechanical keyboard is designed with gamers in mind, offering a compact and efficient layout that allows for extended gaming sessions without the discomfort associated with traditional full-size keyboards. With its sleek design, customizable lighting effects, and thoughtful ergonomics, this keyboard aims to deliver a top-notch experience for those who prefer a one-handed setup for gaming or other tasks. But does it live up to expectations? Let's explore its pros and cons. Pros. Compact and efficient design. The 40-key layout of the Coolcirc GK103 makes it ideal for gamers or users who need quick access to essential keys without the bulk of a full-size keyboard. It's particularly helpful for those who want to streamline their gaming experience and avoid unnecessary key presses. Ergonomic support. The wide hand support feature is a standout. It provides additional comfort and reduces strain on your wrist, especially during extended gaming sessions. The step keycaps also add to the overall ergonomic design, offering a more natural typing or gaming experience. Multimedia functionality. The inclusion of 5 multimedia keys is a thoughtful touch, enhancing both the gaming and entertainment experience. Whether you're adjusting volume, skipping tracks, or toggling other functions, these keys add convenience and improve workflow efficiency. Visually stunning. The cool light mixing effects not only add style to your setup but also allow for customization. The radium carved characters are well lit, ensuring high visibility, and the key labels won't fade over time, ensuring durability. Portable. Due to its small size and compact design, the GK103 is highly portable, making it an excellent choice for those who need a keyboard for on-the-go gaming or travel. Cons. Multimedia keys could be more intuitive. Although the inclusion of 5 multimedia keys is helpful, some users might find their placement a bit awkward or unintuitive, especially if they are used to more traditional function keys. The Coolcirc GK103's one-handed mechanical keyboard is a great choice for gamers who prioritize efficiency, comfort, and style. Its compact layout, wide hand support, and multimedia keys make it a powerful tool for those looking for a keyboard optimized for gaming. The cool light effects and radium carved characters add a visual flair that can make your setup stand out. Number 4 is the Motospeed K27 one-handed mechanical keyboard. The Motospeed K27 one-handed mechanical keyboard is a compact and stylish gaming accessory designed to enhance your gaming experience with its ergonomic features and customizable lighting options. With 27 keys, mechanical switches, and 9 LED effects, this one-handed keyboard offers a highly responsive setup that is perfect for gamers and those who prefer a minimalist desk layout. But how does it measure up in terms of performance, durability, and ease of use? Let's break down the pros and cons of this innovative keyboard. Pros. Ergonomic and comfortable design. The built-in wrist support enhances comfort, reducing wrist strain and fatigue during extended gaming or typing sessions. This ergonomic design is a significant advantage for those who prioritize comfort and prevent discomfort. Customizable LED lighting. With 9 different LED effects, the keyboard offers plenty of options to personalize its look and create a vibrant gaming atmosphere. Whether you prefer a static color or a dynamic light show, the Motospeed K27 caters to all lighting preferences. Compact and efficient. The one-handed design of the keyboard with only 27 keys allows for a more minimalist desk setup. This compact size makes it ideal for those who want to focus on essential gaming controls without the clutter of a full-sized keyboard. High durability. The mechanical switches and 50 million keystrokes lifespan provide exceptional durability. Whether you're gaming, typing, or using it for other tasks, the keyboard will maintain reliable performance for a long time. Excellent key response. The high keycap ladder design enhances the keypress experience, ensuring that each keystroke feels responsive and quick. This feature is particularly beneficial for gamers who require fast and precise key presses. Memory for customization. The EEPROM memory feature ensures that your settings are saved, allowing for easy setup and use without the need to reconfigure your preferences every time you turn on the keyboard. Cons: USB cable length could be better. The USB cable that comes with the keyboard might not be long enough for some users, particularly if they prefer placing their keyboard further away from their PC setup. A longer cable would have added more flexibility. The Motospeed K27 one-handed mechanical keyboard is a great choice for gamers who want a compact, ergonomic, and visually appealing keyboard that delivers fast, responsive performance. Its durable mechanical switches, customizable LED lighting, and ergonomic wrist support make it an attractive option for those looking to optimize their gaming experience without the bulk of a full-sized keyboard. Coming in at number 3 is the MageGee Axe 2 one-handed mechanical keyboard. The MageGee Axe 2 one-handed mechanical keyboard offers a combination of precision, comfort, and customizable features that cater to gamers who need a compact, highly functional keyboard for competitive play. With its customized keycaps, integrated palm support, and fast response time, this keyboard promises to enhance your gaming experience. But does it live up to its claims? Let's dive into the pros and cons. Pros: quick key recognition. With non-slip textured keycaps, users can easily identify the keys, allowing for faster and more accurate input during intense gaming sessions. This feature is particularly beneficial in competitive gaming environments where every millisecond counts. Customizable macros. The super custom driver with full key programming allows you to set up custom macros, enhancing your gameplay by letting you execute complex moves or combos with a single key press. This is a great feature for those who need to perform complex actions quickly. Comfortable for long sessions. The integrated palm support ensures that you stay comfortable even during extended gaming or typing sessions. The rubber, non-slip support offers a soft and durable touch, reducing wrist strain and fatigue. Plug-and-play convenience. The USB interface makes it easy to connect the keyboard without needing to install any drivers. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go, making it ideal for gamers who need a quick and hassle-free setup. Fast response time. With full key no-impact technology and anti-key conflict, the keyboard ensures that every key press is registered without any overlap, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming. The quick response time means you won't miss any crucial moves. Customizable RGB lighting. The keyboard features vibrant RGB dynamic lighting that can be customized to suit your style. Whether you want to create an immersive esports environment or simply match your setup, the lighting adds both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Cons: potential overwhelming RGB effects. The dynamic RGB lighting may be distracting for some users, especially in darker environments. While customizable, the lighting effects might be considered excessive for those who prefer a more subdued or minimalistic design. The MageGee Axe 2 one-handed mechanical keyboard is a great option for gamers who want a compact, customizable, and comfortable keyboard. Its professional keycaps, customizable macros, and RGB lighting make it an appealing choice for esports enthusiasts looking for a competitive edge. Number 2 is the E-yooso K700 one-handed mechanical keyboard. The E-yooso K700 one-handed mechanical keyboard is designed specifically for gamers and users who prefer a compact, efficient keyboard layout. With its RGB backlighting, programmable keys, and hot-swappable red switches, it offers a lot of features aimed at enhancing your gaming experience. This keyboard is designed to provide gamers with a lightweight, ergonomic option without compromising on key performance. But how does it stack up when it comes to pros and cons? Let's take a closer look at its features. Pros: customizable RGB backlighting. The RGB backlight with 16.8 million colors not only enhances the aesthetic of your gaming setup, but also allows you to create a unique look with the 7 preset modes. The ability to change the lighting with the FN space key adds convenience. One-handed design. The one-handed operation design allows for easier access to essential keys, reducing the strain on your hands and wrists, making it a comfortable option for extended gaming sessions or typing. Programmable keys. With 44 programmable keys, you can map specific functions or macros to suit your gaming style. This makes it easy to perform complex actions without needing to reach for other keys, providing a more efficient gaming experience. Hot swappable red switches. The red mechanical switches provide a quiet, linear keypress experience, making them suitable for both gaming and typing. The hot swappable feature allows you to easily change switches without soldering, providing flexibility for those who want to customize their typing experience. Durability and build quality. Constructed from ABS and metal materials, the K700 is durable and built to last. The 50 million keypress's lifespan ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable option for heavy users. Stable wired connection. The wired connection eliminates the risk of latency and connectivity issues, ensuring a smooth and responsive gaming experience. Cons. No dedicated software for full customization. The K700 doesn't come with dedicated software for customizing macros or RGB settings. While you can change lighting and program keys, the lack of software might limit full customization compared to other mechanical keyboards in the market. The E-yooso K700 one-handed mechanical keyboard is an excellent choice for gamers who prefer a compact, customizable, and durable keyboard. Its RGB backlighting, hot swappable red switches, and programmable keys offer a lot of flexibility, especially for those who play fast-paced games and need quick, responsive keystrokes. And finally, our number one pick is the Redragon K585 one-handed mechanical keyboard. The Redragon K585 one-handed mechanical keyboard is designed for gamers who want precision, comfort, and style in a compact form. This one-handed keyboard focuses on delivering performance with features such as multicolor backlighting, hot swap switches, and programmable macro keys. Whether you are a competitive gamer or someone who prefers a minimalist gaming setup, this keyboard has plenty to offer. Let's break down the pros and cons to see if it's the right choice for your gaming needs. Pros. Compact and efficient design, the slim, one-handed layout ensures that only the essential keys are included, providing a clutter-free experience. This design is perfect for gamers who want a portable, easy-to-use keyboard that keeps the focus on essential controls. It's especially useful for gamers who want to quickly react without worrying about misclicking. Hot swap switches for customization. The hot swap switches are a standout feature, offering the flexibility to swap out mechanical switches without needing to solder. This makes it easy for users to adjust the keyboard to their preferences, whether they prefer clicky, tactile, or linear switches. Excellent RGB lighting, with 5 RGB backlighting modes and the ability to choose from 16.8 million colors. The keyboard offers plenty of customization for those who enjoy adding personality to their setup. The vibrant lighting effects also add to the immersive gaming atmosphere. Programmable macro keys. The inclusion of 7 programmable macro keys makes the K585 highly functional for gamers. These keys can be customized to trigger complex commands with a single press, allowing users to streamline gameplay and gain an edge in fast-paced games. Reliable wired connection. The wired connection ensures there's no lag or interference, delivering a stable and responsive performance. This is especially important for competitive gamers who need every keystroke to be registered accurately and instantly. Cons. Mechanical noise. As with many mechanical keyboards, the switches can be quite loud, especially for those who prefer a quieter typing experience. This might be a concern in shared spaces or for gamers who prefer minimal sound while playing. The Redragon K585 one-handed mechanical keyboard is a strong contender for any gamer looking for a compact, customizable, and feature-rich keyboard. Its mechanical switches, RGB lighting, and programmable macro keys make it a solid option for those who prefer a slim and efficient design without sacrificing key features. The ability to hot swap switches further enhances its appeal to gamers who enjoy customizing their gear.